What I'm about to show you is a big deal for crypto, and it's happening right in front of you. And if you really weren't paying attention to the breadcrumbs and the evolution of what I'm about to show you, it would go right past you. But there is a massive, big opportunity here. And the opportunity is this: you are early. If you're watching this video right now, you are early. Crypto is right now 1,180,000,000,000, the total market capitalization, and you're early. You just have to know where to look and know why you're early and know what this massive big opportunity is. Okay. So right now, to be able to buy Bitcoin at say 30,000, Ethereum at 1,800, XRP at 46 cents, Cardano at 28 cents, etc. These are massive opportunities to buy on the cheap and lock in massive profits. Am I telling you to do this? No, this video is not investment advice. This is entertainment purposes only. Here's what I want to show you. It is this. The BlackRock CEO has come a long way on Bitcoin since 2017. And this is an example of what I'm talking about. Basically, back in 2017, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink called Bitcoin a, quote, index of money laundering. And he was massively out there talking about crypto and Bitcoin and all that. And then this right-hand side one right here. So this was back in 2017. Look, you can see the date on the article, okay? Look at what he says now. Crypto is, quote, digitizing gold, and Bitcoin has the power to, quote, revolutionize finance, the BlackRock CEO says. Why is this a big deal? Why is this something that you should be interested in? Okay. BlackRock. Why does this matter? Main Street financial organizations, BlackRock, JP Morgan, Fidelity, all these guys, right? They are sitting on hundreds of trillions of dollars. And I mean, all of them. I don't mean just those three. BlackRock personally, they manage over 10 trillion, by far the biggest mutual fund manager out there. And we want that traditional financial money to come into crypto, right? This is why when BlackRock filed for their Bitcoin ETF, it was such a big deal, okay? And why you're going to start to see more of these traditional Main Street companies do this. This is a massive big deal opportunity. This is huge crypto news. If you know where to look, you are seeing literally news happening right in front of you. And it is the turning of the tide of traditional finance saying, okay, we now are starting to see value in this crypto thing over here. And we're going to now start to figure out how we can get involved in, because let's call it what it is. They want to make money. These big companies, BlackRock, JP Morgan, etc. They want to make money. How do they make money? Fees off of selling their customers products, right? Crypto is perfect for that. They want to be able to offer crypto to their very wealthy and all of their clients. This is a big deal, and you should be paying attention to it, which is why I'm doing a video on it, because it's something you need to be aware of. So this is a great big deal. The fact that the BlackRock CEO has come out, from where he started, right? He called it a quote, index of money laundering. He called Bitcoin the biggest money laundering scam out there back in 2017. The same man did this, Larry Fink, is now calling it digital gold. This is a big deal, and it is the turning of the tide. However you feel about these organizations, put that aside. This will bring massive opportunity into crypto.